It's 5:30 a.m. on July 8th, and I am here at the base of Sacagawea Peak, about 20 miles north of Bozeman, Montana. This hike is a super short hike. It's only about 2¼ miles. The elevation gain is about 2,000 feet. I'm coming up on my first mile right now. I'm just kind of moving through this really beautiful gulch. I've got Sacagawea Peak behind me, and I've got Pump Peak on the other side. I'm just kind of working my way through to that saddle. Should be riding up to the peak. Sacagawea Peak, and it took me about 90 minutes to get up here. The hike itself was not too bad. It was pretty good. So I'm going to enjoy some views for a bit, and then I'm going to trek on down.